everything so fast? I'm too young for this. I just wanted to help. Hey, stop eating my emergency popcorn. No, 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 not the tree. Please turn into anything else. Hi, can I get a big bag of popcorn?
Sure, kid. Fresh batch is ready.
Oh no, I really need to use the bathroom.
That sounds urgent.
Can you watch the cart for just 1 minute?
Let's see. Do not worry. I will guard it like a pro.
Just don't touch anything complicated. I will be right back.
This is gonna be easy.
Hi, are you selling now?
Yeah, welcome to the popcorn stand. Your popcorn expert is ready.
Okay, then I want 2 bags.
Why are there so many cups? That's how stores work. Everything is under control. It really doesn't look like it. Drink coming right up. That part was smooth. The floor is getting wet. That's just extra cleaning. Whoa! That looked painful. Okay, I didn't plan that.
You have popcorn on your eyebrows.
Still good. We keep going.
That is a brave attitude.
1 sweet and 1 soda. Okay, now you look like you know the job. I actually did it. I'm kind of amazing at this now. Sales done, money safe. He's gonna be impressed. Okay, maybe impressed after the cleaning. This place looks like popcorn exploded. A real worker cleans up the mess, even if it was mostly him. Hey, that's not free bird food. Go away, you tiny thief. This cart has enough problems. Good, stay out. No problem, I'll clean outside too. I'm basically an employee now. Fast sweep, then perfect day. Nothing else can go wrong now. Wait, what was that sound? No, not the door. Open. Why do doors become stronger at the worst time? Inside the locked cart, a much bigger problem had just started. Please tell me nothing is happening in there. I knew something was happening. That is too much popping for one machine. I need to get inside now. Locked. Seriously? Why is this cart built like a bank? Okay, roof plan. Roof plans are never a good sign. Yes, tiny roof door, you are my hero. Now please be big enough. I am in, and I hate it here. Why is everything white and popping? This looks like a popcorn blizzard. The neighbor is never trusting me again. I just need the bag. Do not panic. Just chew if necessary. Got it! Please stop exploding now. Okay, it is over. I survived the popcorn storm. Finally, some peace. Why was there one more? That was rude.
I am literally eating my way to oxygen. This is not how jobs should work.
Okay, bags, cleaning, recovery. I can still save this.
What did I just kick? That did not sound safe. Not the whole cart. Why am I on the roof now? Ah! Ah! This is getting worse by the second.
Stop rolling! You are not supposed to have this much freedom!
I miss the boring part of today. Aha! I miss it so much. Why are you back? Stop eating my hair snack. This is not your lunch table. Go away, bird. Stop. Did you just... Oh, come on. This day is personally attacking me. Everything is gross now.
Okay, Tree Branch, you are my exit. Please work like a movie. Now. Please, please, please. I got it. I actually got it. Okay, now I just need to breathe.
Ow, hey. Why are you so mean? Ow, ow, ow. Tree part was better than the landing part. At least it stopped. That is the first good news in a while.
Oh no, all the popcorn.
That is a lot of wasted snack.
I am really sorry.
You help too much, kid.
Wait, maybe the bird can help.
I am almost afraid to ask how.
Birds love popcorn, right?
This is strange, but I do not have a better plan.
It is working.
That is honestly impressive.
Go, little cleanup crew.
Best wild workers I have ever seen.
I cannot believe the bird idea saved us.
You nearly destroyed the cart, then hired birds.
It looks almost normal again.
Almost is doing a lot of work there.
I am really sorry.
You are lucky you are also funny. Next time, do not be extra helpful when you do not know the job.
Yeah, I think I learned that the hard way. I only wanted to help for 1 minute.
And somehow you created a whole action movie.
Can I at least still buy popcorn?
Only if I hand it to you myself.
You caused half of this. Chirp.
I can't help. Putting a popcorn shop in the hands of a child is too risky.